Hello, Min. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how was your day today, Min?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. Did you already eat?
Yes. No,
No.
no, no, no.
No, still no. Okay. After the class, you will eat?
Yes.
Okay. So, now are you ready to continue our lesson number one for this lesson? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so for this lesson, we will just continue our lesson one, which we had started last Friday. So last Friday, so we talk about this lesson, so which is all about occupations. So if you still remember, what do we mean by occupations? What what does occupation means? For example, teacher. Teacher is an occupation. So
School.
what does an occupation mean?
Uh, the school.
Yes, it's the teacher works at the school. Very good. So for occupation, so again, we occupation means that it is the job. It is the job or the work that a person does. So what you have said, school, it is where. School is where teacher works. But for occupation, it is the job itself. So it is a job. Teacher is an occupation. Teacher is a job. So that is occupation. So can you, since we have learned the meaning of occupation, can you at least give an example or one example of an occupation or a job that you know?
Yes.
Okay, what are those jobs that you know?
Mm, s- s-
Eh,
still.
It's okay. Go. What jobs? Or what occupation? For example, your parents. What are the occupation of your parents?
Uh, my my father um work at the um post office.
Yes, post office. And what do we call those person who works at the post office? It
Um,
is,
is a mailing.
huh? Are you sure? It is what they do. They mail letters. But what do we call their occupation? Those people who works at the post office. What do we call them? It's what we call as post.
Postal worker.
Yes, okay, very good. So it is postal
Work.
worker. So that mean your dad works at the post office as a postal worker. So as what you have said earlier, so mail letters or mailing letters, that is what postal workers do. So the name of their job is postal worker. Next, so let's review the jobs or the occupations that we had learned last time. So let's go first with this occupation. What do we call, or what is the name of her job? What is the name of her occupation? Hmm? These are people who works at the, it can be at the supermarket or what you have said before at the bank. Starts with letter C.
Um,
Huh? You forgot? Oh no, you're not reviewing, huh? Our lesson, you're not reviewing. So this is what we call cashier. You forgot cashier. You said that cashiers work at the bank. So last time. Okay. So next time, make sure you review our lesson, okay? So that you will be able to remember and retain or recall all of the things that we've learned. So just to review, so cashier is what the person who works at the supermarket, at the bank, at the department store. So a cashier are the one, or cashiers are the one who takes money when people buy things in a store. So they are the one who receives our payment for those things that we buy or we bought. Okay. So again, what is the occupation of this person?
In the supermarket.
Yes, what is the name? What do we call the person who works at the supermarket, at the bank, at the department store? What is the name of the
The,
occupation?
the cashier.
Okay, very good. Very good. So cashier. So next, let's go to our second
Mm,
occupation. You
book-
so where do you think this woman or person works?
Book in the library.
Okay, and what do we call those people who works at the library?
Um,
So it also sounds their occupation also sounds like library, but you will just add an at the end of the word. How do we call them? So we call them as library. So library. So we have here.
library, librarian.
Okay, very good. So we have here library. So this is where we work. They work, and we will add IAN. So it will be librarian. So again,
Librarian.
okay, very good. So again, so librarian, they work at the library. So they are the one who are, what do you call that? They are the one who helps people find books. And also, if you want to borrow books, if you want to find your favorite book at the library, they are the one who can help you because they are the one who specifically organize the books in the library. That is a librarian. So next, number three, or our third occupation.
Um,
What is his occupation?
um, uh, at the post office.
Okay, post office. Yes, w- it is where they work. But what do we call the occupation?
Um, um,
We told it earlier. It is postal,
post of
huh? Office. Office is
post
the.
post
Okay, very good. So postal worker. So what you are saying, post office is the place. When we say occupation, again, when we say occupation, it is the job. It is the name of the job, the name of the work that people do. When we say post office, it is the place where people works. So postal worker. So this is the occupation of the people who works at the post office. And what do they do? What do postal workers do?
the building.
Yes, very good. They
Mm,
are mailing letters. Good job. So okay, occupation. So clue, these people mostly works at the department store. They are the one who sells things in a shop. what do we call them? What do we call them, or the occupation that they do? Starts with letter S. S S S. I think this is your mother's work.
No.
Ano? Ano? Hmm. Ah, but what is your mother's work again, or mom's work?
Uh, mm, Officer.
She is an office worker. Okay, okay. So for this one, so we call them sales
The
person.
person.
Okay, so salesperson. So again, so they are the one who sells things in a shop. Especially, we can mostly see them at the department store because they are the one who promotes things, promotes clothing, promotes things that we need in our houses. They are the one who sells. Okay, so that is a person, like what this man is doing. He is selling neckties. So he is also wearing one for the people to know what does it looks like when you wear it. So that is how he promotes or sell the thing that he is selling. That's a salesperson. Okay, so next, what do we call the person who works at the restaurant?
Um,
Starts with letter S also. Letter
is,
S.
uh,
What do we call them? It's
is
uh,
star.
huh?
So, server.
Okay, very good. So it's, or they are, the server. So we can also call them waiter. Do you know the term waiter? Waiter. Ano?
No.
Oh, so server and waiter are just the same, or they have the same job. So they both work at a restaurant or at a food industry. They are the one who serves food. They are the one who takes orders from the customers in a restaurant. And also, they are the one who brings foods if the food is ready, so the order is ready, so they are the one who will bring it to the customers. They are server. So next, let's move on to our next one. Okay, so do you still remember what is the name of this job?
Vet.
Okay, very good. So she is a vet.
Vet.
Or this one is the shorter version of the occupation, but if we had it the original name, we call them veterinarian. So when we say vet, what is a vet mean? What is a vet?
Um, the, um,
Look at
dog.
her. Yes,
Dog.
doctor.
Dog.
Doc,
Dog.
doctor for what?
Any the dog.
Yes, very good. Or animals. So, vet are doctors for animals, or vets. So they help sick dogs and cats, or every animal. Actually, being a vet or veterinarian, so it does not only is being a doctor to dogs or cats, so all of the animals, so they cater, or they treat all of the animals, not only dogs and cats. That is why vet or veterinarian. So if you want to be a vet in the future, so you really need to study all of the animals, especially the parts of the bodies of the animals. So, if you compare doctors and doctors for animals, so doctors for animal is more harder because it is very, very broad. Okay. So again, so before we continue these lessons, so let's go back again in this one. So again, let's review what is this occupation?
Uh, at the supermarket, in
Yes,
department store, um,
yes. What is the name? What
a
is the name?
cashier,
Cashier. Very good. So one more time, let's say cashier.
cashier,
Okay, perfect. So this is the cashier. So next. Next one is?
lib librarian,
Okay, very good. So librarian. Next one.
um, postal worker,
Okay, very good. It's postal worker. Next.
salesperson,
Very good. Salesperson. And next one.
um, uh, server,
Okay, very good. Server. For the last one is?
vet.
Okay, so good job. So now, let's move on to our first activity. So we will listen and number. Actually, we did this activity, but let's again review it so that you will be able to recall the things that we had learned. So let me just open.
Page 24. B. Listen and number. 1,
Excuse me, are you the librarian?
Yes, I am. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a great book.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, for number one, mean. What is the occupation that the child is talking to?
Uh,
Or
library,
okay, library occupation. The name of the occupation, library or librarian?
librarian,
Okay, very good. So again, library is the place where librarian works. So when we say occupation, we talk about the person itself, the work itself, not the place. So librarian. So where do you think is the librarian here?
um, mm, mm,
Where is the librarian? The first picture, second picture,
a
first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
third, uh,
Yes, third.
third,
Okay. Okay, let's I will just put numbers here. One first picture, second, four, five, six. Okay, so third picture. So this is our number one. So this is the librarian. So this children, what is he requesting to the librarian or what is he looking for?
looking for uh,
Okay.
the
Yes, wow, very good. You have a good listening skill. So yes, so the child is needing the help of the librarian to look for a great book. So very good. So next, so number two, let's listen to the second occupation.
2,
Hmm, where's the salesperson?
Is she a salesperson, Mom?
I think so.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, we like that purple sofa.
Okay, for number two, what do you think is the occupation?
um, mm,
Okay, do you want to listen one more time?
salesperson,
Okay.
salesperson,
Oh, very good. So it's the salesperson. And what picture do you think is
picture,
this sales?
picture, fifth,
Okay, the fifth picture, the fifth picture. And what are the mother and the child wants to buy?
what want to buy
What do they want to buy? Based on the picture also. What what do
tea,
They want to buy?
chair,
Yes, chair. What do we call this one? Is it a chair?
sofa,
Okay, what color specifically is the sofa?
purple,
Okay, very good. So they want to buy the purple sofa. And since we have here a salesperson, so they are the one who will assist the mother and the child to buy and also to sell the purple sofa to the mother and the child. So next, very good. So number 3.
Yes.
3.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I'm a postal worker.
This is for my grandmother. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, for number 3, what is the occupation?
fruit, postal worker,
Okay, very good. So where is the postal worker?
postal worker,
What what picture?
picture, fruit,
Okay, one more time. Let's say first.
first,
Okay, very good. So picture number 1 or picture first or first picture. So this is number 3. And this child. So we had listened to that he will be mailing letters or letter. Who will be or who will he be mailing his letter?
grandma,
Oh, okay,
grandma,
very good. So he will send the letter to his grandmother. So very good. So nice. Okay, let's go with number 4. Number 4.
4.
Hi, I'm your server. My name is Jeff.
Hi, Jeff. Can I have the steak, please?
What about you?
The spaghetti, please.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, so for our number 4, what is the occupation?
server,
Server. And what number? What number of the
number,
picture?
number 6,
Number 6. Okay, very good. It's number 6. One more time. Let's say 6.
6,
Okay, very good. So not sick. Okay, 6. Okay, so for our picture number 6, it is the server. So let's number it number 4. And what do these people wants to order?
um, st- some steak
Steak and
and sa, sapa-
yes, yes, that's right.
spaghetti,
Okay, very good. So steak and spaghetti. So next number 5.
5.
What's wrong?
My dog is sick.
Don't worry. I can help.
That's good. Thanks.
Okay, for number 5. So what number of what is the occupation?
a vet,
The vet. Okay, and where is the vet? What picture?
a picture of
Okay, very good. So it's picture number 4. And what animal is or has sickness?
the dog,
The dog. It's the dog. Very good. So again, so a vet are the doctors for animals. Okay. So next, so for our last number and our last picture,
6.
uh,
Danny, give the groceries to the cashier.
Okay, Mom. Here you are.
Thank you.
okay, what is our last occupation?
cashier,
Cashier. Very good. It's a cashier. So now, um, for this one, where do you think is the cashier working? Where is the cashier working? Is she working in the department store?
at the supermarket,
Okay, very good. So she is working at the supermarket because this person or this two person, mother and child, so they are buying foods. So specifically, it's in, or the cashier is in the supermarket. Okay, so very good. So again, can you please read all of the things or all of the scenarios that we have from the first one? So let's read number 1.
Excuse me, are you the librarian? Yes, I am. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a great book. Okay, let's see.
Okay, so next.
Where's the salesperson? Is she salesperson, Mom? I think so. Hi, can I help you? Yes, we like that purple sofa.
Okay, so next.
Excuse me, do you work here? Yes, I am a postal worker. This is for my grandmother. Thank
Okay,
you. You
okay,
are welcome.
okay, very good. For number 4.
Hi, I'm your server. My name is Yap. Hi, Yap. Can I have a steak, please? What about you? The spaghetti, please. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
What
number-
what's wrong? My dog is sick. Don't worry, I can help. Yes, good. Thanks.
And for the
Danny,
last one.
Danny,
This one.
Danny gives the groceries to the cashier. Okay, Mom. Here you are. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So that is for our different occupations. So again, can you please read this one?
Excuse, excuse me.
Okay, very good. So remember, include the S sound, excuse, not XQ. Okay, so very good. So I think with more practice, you can be able to pronounce it correctly because you can pronounce it correctly. Just say it more slowly so that you will not forget the S sound. So excuse me. Okay, so next. Very good, very good. So we have another, okay, so we have another sentence pattern here. So let's first listen to the sentence pattern, and after that, we will study how we can use this sentence pattern.
Page 25. See, listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Who works at the supermarket?
The cashier works at the supermarket. 1,
Who works at the
Okay, before we listen to that one, so let's first read what we have here.
Who was at the supermarket?
Next
The, ca-
is,
the cashier was at the supermarket.
okay, very good. So let's take a look at this question. So who works at the supermarket? So if the question, so we have here the question that starts with who. Oh, okay, let me just who. Okay. So if the question starts with who, so the answer is about person. Okay, so this question is asking who is working at the supermarket. So basically, the person is asking what is the occupation that is working at the supermarket. So the answer is the person that is working or the job itself that is working at the supermarket. So since we have here supermarket, who works at the supermarket mean?
The cashier was at the supermarket.
Okay, very good. So the cashier works at the supermarket. So we have here the question, who works at the supermarket? And we answer it with the name of the job that is working at the supermarket. And we should not forget the sentence works at the supermarket for us to be able to describe completely who is working and where is the person working. So, for example, let's have another question. Okay, this one. Who works at the restaurant mean?
The server the server was at the restaurant.
Okay, very good. So the server works at the restaurant. So nice. Okay. So now, since you have learned this sentence pattern, so let's try to apply this in our next activity. So let me just have this one. Okay. So let's try to answer it ourselves. So number one, what do you think is the question here?
Um, the the let's see.
Okay, very good. What is the question that we will use?
Um, what
What is the
who
question?
works at the supermarket?
Okay, supermarket. And the answer will be
The cash the the cashier was at the supermarket.
okay, perfect. Very good. So number two. Let's answer number two.
Who was at the library?
Okay, very good.
The cashier was at
Cash cashier?
the
What is
library the
okay.
library and at the library.
Okay, works at
Was
the
at the library.
okay, very good. So next, number three.
Who was at the post office?
Very good.
The postal workers at the post office.
Okay, don't forget the word works. Works at
Was at the post office.
okay. Again, let's read this word. So this one. This
Um,
one.
to office.
Okay, very good. So not off it. Okay, office. Okay.
Office.
Okay, very good. So I know you can do it. Just say it more slowly so that um you will have less mistakes when pronouncing the word. So next, this one.
Who was um, at the
You can do it. You know this place.
um,
Hmm. It is where we buy clothes, we buy furnitures. What is the place?
department
Where do we buy clothes?
uh,
Who works?
was at the
Who?
department
Yes, very good. Who
who
works?
was at the department store.
Okay, very good. So the
The the the salesperson was at the department store.
okay, very good. Good job. So next, number five.
Who who was at the who was at the who was at the
Where do we eat?
restaurant.
Yes, very good. It's the restaurant. And
The server was at the restaurant.
okay, perfect. Good job. And the last one,
Who was at the
what do we call the place where vet works?
at
I
the
doctor. First, what do we call the place where doctor works?
doctor work?
Where do they work?
They work at
If we get sick, where do we go?
Hospital.
Okay, very good. And since
Hospital.
vet is an animal doctor. So what is the missing word with the hospital?
As a animal. His
Uh,
hospital.
okay, very good. So who works at the animal hospital?
The
The
vet, the vet was uh at the animal hospital.
Okay, very good. So the vet works at the animal hospital. So we should not forget the word at excuse me, we should not forget the word animal because for hospital, so when we say hospital, it is just for people. For animal hospital, it is specifically for animals. So this is where vets work, animal hospital. Okay, so very good. So now let's check. Let's check all of your answers. Okay, so
Who
okay,
was at the supermarket? The cashier was at the supermarket. Who
uh,
was at the lib- library? Library. The librarian was at the library.
very
Who
good.
was at the post office? The postal worker was at the post office.
Very good.
Who was at the department store? The salesperson was at the department store.
Okay,
Who was at the restaurant? The server was at the restaurant.
okay.
Who was at the animal hospital? The vet. The vet was at the animal hospital.
Okay, very good. So good job. Good job. So without listening to the sound that we have, so I can see that most of your answers, all of your answers are correct. So good job. So I can see that you can be able to apply this sentence pattern and question that we had learned for today. So remember, so if we talk about who, or if the question is about who, so we are talking about person. If we are talking about what, we are asking about things. If we are talking about where, we are asking about the place. Where is the place? And what, where, who, why. So we have also why. So if we are asking about why, so we are asking the reason why something is happening. So those are the question patterns that we mostly use. For this set question pattern, so we use who, which is talking about the occupation or the person itself. So it just doesn't talks about occupation, but it mostly talks about person or people. Okay, so that is how we use. Okay, so very good, very good. Okay, so let's answer an activity here. So before answering, can you please read the question?
Who was at the restaurant?
Mm-hmm.
The server was at the restaurant.
Okay, perfect. So the server works at the restaurant. So next number, read the
Who
question
was
first.
at the department store? The salesperson was at the department store.
Okay, very good. So next,
Who,
okay.
who, who
Uh,
was at the library? The librarian was at the library.
okay, very good. Next, okay, so it's loading.
Who was at the post office? The postal worker was at the post office.
Okay, very good. Postal worker works at the post office. Next,
Who was at the animal hospital? The vet was at the animal hospital.
okay, very good. And next one,
Who works at the supermarket? The cashier works at the supermarket.
Okay, very good. So cashier works at the supermarket. And next. Oh, okay, so it's finished. So now, so we have here, I think, another activity. Oh, another sentence pattern. Okay, so we are talking about a new question pattern here. So we have here where. So let's first listen to it before
Page
we read.
25. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Where does the cashier work?
The cashier works at the supermarket.
Okay, so for this question, so we have the question. So can you please read again the question?
Where does the cashier work?
Okay, very
The
good. And
cashier works at the supermarket.
okay, very good. So like this question, we have where. So when we say where, if the question is asking about where, we are talking about the place. So if the question starts with where, the answer is about place. So like this one, the cashier works at the supermarket. So the sentence pattern that we have earlier, so we just jumbled it. So the answer became focus on the place where the occupation is working. So for example, let's have an example. Um, this one. So can you please read this one?
Where does the vet work? The
Okay.
vet works at the animal hospital.
Okay, very good. So the vet works at the animal hospital. So good job. So, okay, so let's try to apply this new sentence pattern in our next activity. So let's go first with number one.
Where does sale person
Are you sure? Uh,
cashier
okay,
cashier work? The cashier was at the supermarket.
very good. So next, number two.
Where does the server was? The server was at the restaurant.
Okay,
Where
very good.
does the salesperson was? The
Mm-hmm.
salesperson was at the department store. Where does the librarian was? The
Mm-hmm.
librarian was at the library. Where
Okay.
does the vet was? The vet was at the animal hospital. Where
Okay.
does the postal worker was? The postal worker was at the at, at the post office. At the
Post.
post office.
Okay, very good. Post office. So again, can you please read this word, this one?
Salesperson.
Okay, very good. Salesperson, not sale person. Don't forget the S sound. Okay. So good job, good job. So let's check if all of your answers are correct. So can you please read the things that we have?
Where does the cashier work? The cashier works at the supermarket. Where does the server work? The server works at the restaurant. Where does the salesperson work? The salesperson works at the department store. Where does the librarian work? The librarian works at the library. Where does the vet work? The vet works at the animal hospital. Where does the postal worker work? The postal worker works at the post office.
Okay, good job. So that is how we answer and how we use this question, the question where. So again, mean if we use the question who, what are or what do we ask about when we say who? What are we talking about? Is it a place, thing, person?
Person,
Okay, very good. How about where?
place.
Place. Very good. So remember this two question pattern that we learned, the who and the where. Okay, so good job, good job. Okay, so let's check. Let's have. Okay, so I think we'll skip that activity, this one, because we already did this one, and we'll just play. Let's play a game here, so that you will be able to what do you call that? You will be able to apply what you have learned. So can you please choose one number?
Choose number 1.
Okay, number one. Mm. So this one
Um,
is post office. Okay. So who works at the post
the,
office?
the postal worker works at the post officer.
Not officer. This one is office. I think it's just a typo. But yes, the postal worker works at the post office. Very good. So
I
next.
choose number 16.
16. Okay. Where does the salesperson work?
The the salesperson works at the department store.
Okay, very good. So next,
I choose number 24.
24. Okay. Where does the cashier work?
The cashier works at the supermarket.
Okay, next. Next
I
number,
choose number 6.
number 6.
The,
Where? Okay. Where does the postal worker work?
the postal worker works at the post office.
Okay, very good. Post office.
I
Next
choose
number,
15.
15.
Where does the cashier work? The
Okay.
cashier works at the supermarket.
Okay, very good. Next
I choose
number.
number 20.
20. 20. Okay.
20.
Okay.
Where does the librarian work?
Okay.
The librarian works at the library.
Okay, very good. Next.
I choose number 5.
5. Okay.
Who works at the restaurant? Um, the the server works at the restaurant.
Okay, very good. The server works at the restaurant.
I choose
Next,
number 4.
number 4.
Who works at the supermarket? The cashier works at the supermarket.
Okay, very good. So next,
Who works at the I choose
number
number 2.
number 2. Okay.
Where does the vet work? The vet works at the animal hospital.
Okay, very good.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Where does the postal worker work? The postal worker was at the post office.
Okay, very good. So next,
Where I choose number 3.
3. Okay.
Where does the server work? The server was at the restaurant.
Okay, very good. Next.
Where I choose number 23.
23.
Where does the server work? The server was at the restaurant.
Okay, very good.
I choose number 21.
21. Okay, wait, let me
Who
just.
works at the animal hospital?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh no. Okay, this one. Who works at the animal hospital?
The 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 vet was at the animal hospital.
Very good. So the vet works at the animal hospital.
I
Next,
choose number 22.
number 22.
Who was at the supermarket? The cashier was at the supermarket.
Okay, very good. So the cashier works supermarket.
I choose number 9.
Number 9. Okay.
Who was at the department store? The salesperson was at the department store.
Okay, very good. So salesperson works at the department store.
I choose number 19.
Number 19.
Who was at the department store? The salesperson was at the department store.
Okay, very good. The salesperson works at the department store.
I choose number 12.
12.
Who was at the library? The librarian was at the library.
Okay, very good. So next,
I choose number 7.
number 7.
Where does the librarian work? The librarian was at the library.
Very good.
I choose number 11.
Okay, 11.
Who was at the post office? The postal worker was at the post office.
Okay, very good. Postal worker works at the post office.
I choose number 8.
Number 8, okay?
Who was at the animal hospital? The vet was at the animal hospital.
Very good. The vet works at the animal hospital.
I choose number 18.
18.
Who was at the library? The librarian was at the library.
Very good. The librarian works at the library. So last
Who
number.
was
Okay.
I choose number 7.
7?
Se-
17.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. One more time. What number?
I choose number 17.
Okay, very good.
Where does the vet work? The vet works at the animal hospital.
Okay, very good. Next.
I choose number 14.
14.
Where does the salesperson work? The salesperson
Okay.
at the department store.
Okay. And the last one.
Who was at the restaurant? The server was at the restaurant.
Okay, very good. Okay, so good job. So good job, Min, for showcasing your understanding with our lesson for today. So I think you probably know and understood what we have learned today. So good job. And for this one, I just want you to I just want you to practice some words that you might have a difficulty in the pronunciation. So especially the word first. So you had pronounced it earlier as first. So
First.
six, yes. So let's say first.
First.
Okay, very good. So earlier you have read six as sick. So for this one, we should read it as six with S. Okay,
Six.
six. Okay, very good. And next, so can you again read this one?
Excuse me.
Okay, very good. So excuse me. So remember, don't forget the S sound. So not excuse me, excuse me. This one, can you read this one?
Office.
Office, very good. So office, not office. Okay, and next, can you please read this one, this number?
3.
Okay, one more time. Let's say three. Three.
3.
Okay, try to put your, what do you call this? Tongue. Try to put your tongue in between your teeth, like this.
3.
So put your tongue in between your
3.
teeth, then you will push it back as you say the word three. Three. Because
3.
you pronounce it as tree, not tree. So it's three.
3.
So it should have like what do you call that? Air sound. Three. Three. Yes, so you should practice that one. So you should practice how to pronounce TH sound. So so you will blow an air when saying the word. So three, not tree. Because
3.
tree, so it means as the tree, the green tree. So three has a different sound, okay? So very good. So I think so for this one, so we are close to finishing. So you will be able to eat your dinner. So for this one, I think in this lesson, so you did a great job with your performance today because as usual, when you learn some things, you are able to apply it, especially the sentence pattern that we had learned. For this one, for you to be able to recall all of the things that we had learned and be able to apply it in the future if you want to learn or if you want to be good at speaking English. So make sure to review the lessons or the lesson material that we had finished. And also, since somehow or sometimes you are unconfident in speaking or sharing your own ideas, especially earlier. So teacher asked you, what is your understanding with the word occupation? So you are somehow unconfident with your answer. So you answered occupation, like for example, earlier. So you have answered the occupation teacher as school. So remember, school is the place where teacher works. So occupation is teacher. So occupation meaning is the job or work that we want to do in the future. How about you, Min? What is the occupation or what do you want to be in the future?
Policeman.
Okay, very good. So, wow, that's a nice occupation. And why do you want to be a policeman?
Because I
You want to help people?
have yes.
Yes. Wow, that's a very, very good values that you have, especially when you became a policeman. Is your father a policeman? No.
No.
He is a postal worker.
No.
What is your father's occupation?
Um,
Is he, I think, if I remember it correctly, is he an engineer? Engineer?
yes, yes.
Oh, don't you want to be an engineer?
or engineer.
Engineer. You don't want to be an engineer in the future? Because
No.
engineer is, I think, engineer is an occupation where you mostly are faced with a lot of mathematical problems. So are you good? Are you good at math? Do you like math? No. I also don't like math because it's very hard. Okay. So I think for this one, Min, so it is already the end of our time. So again, so make sure to review the things that we had learned and also practice the sentence pattern that we had learned today. So that's it. So thank you very much for your time today, Min. And you can now rest. So good job.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you and goodbye also. See you again next Friday. So goodbye. Thank you.